just want to share the initiative that I'm currently doing with the A-level classes that I'm having. I created a page using sitesgoogle.com. This is a free site and you can create your website for 5 minutes. Just simple drag and drop. So I created the lecture videos, and I used the exercises in the book that they're currently using, and then I put some past paper questions. For example, this one here, practice test vector equations of lines and intersecting lines. And then so basically we do not, as much as possible through this, the intention is we work into the past papers. So the target is for them to be able to get an A. Like most of them will be able to get an A, as we will be having more time to go to the past papers instead of going and discussing every page of their books, because the pages of their book, the examples in their book, has been discussed already in these videos. Similarly as well with the AS level. So with the AS level, this week we are currently working into the arithmetic sequences and series. So these are the videos, and at the same time I have there the past paper questions. So the idea is that for them to be able to immerse into the topic before coming to the classes, and they would be able to get more opportunity to discuss the past papers during class hours. And then I have also here some further math. This is just the, what do you call this one, first topic in further math lessons. I have our IGCSE, but I haven't started with it yet. Alright, so this is what we call flip classroom, and hopefully that through this we will be able to, I want to see whether the students would be able to develop the attitude of independently learning by themselves, preparing before coming to the classroom. Okay, that's it. Thank you.